Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're here with Peter Robin, and he's in a white cherry tree, Prunus taihaku, just coming into flower now, and you're getting ready for spring, aren't you, Peter? You really are. We're looking at a fantastic plum tree today. This is a variety of plum called Stanley, and Stanley is a relatively new variety. Of course, it's smothered in white flowers in spring, and it's a nearly plum tree to crop, and delicious plums. It's medium sized, it's going to grow roughly about 2 meters high, and the crown on top a little bit over a meter across. But they're gorgeous plums. You're going to get white flowers in spring like that, and of course lots of slightly darker plums than that. But it's a great cropper, crops very heavily and early, nearly killed by hanging basket here. You can't have enough hang-ups in your life, you really can't. But a plum tree Stanley, well worth planting. This is the time of year to plant plum tree Stanley. Decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive goes in at the bottom, and then some swell compost and soil on top, and the same banking around. It's a self-pollinating plum, so you don't need a second variety for pollination. You can grow it in a big potter container if you like, but I like it out in open ground. So that's plum Stanley, well worth finding a spot for. Say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.